Hello, YouTube. Yeah, we have spicy tacos. And it's spicy. And I have chocolate milk just in case. True move. And just out spicy. Oh, that's not that spicy. Ready? That one. That's it. Anyway, so.
Oh man, those things are so spicy.
So this is really spicy. You're gonna look me on camera. Mmm. They're not spicy at all.
What?
This is good. Not spicy. Bye, peeps.